cumulink and spirals. Okay, cumulink and spirals. What are cumulink beta? These are continuous. These are continuous double bond. These are having continuous double bond. For example, like this. C double bond C. If number of double bonds, the number of double bonds in the compound, how the number of double bonds in the compound is even, that time this compound will not show GI. Why will not show GI? See how this pi bond is formed. How the pi bond is formed? Pi bond is formed by the p1p orbital. By the p1p orbital. Each this combination is beta sp2. This is what sp. This is what sp2. This is what beta sp2. This is sp. This is sp2. When the carbon is having sp2 organization, each carbon is having beta one unpaired, one p1p orbital, one p1p orbital and one unpaired electron. One p1p orbital and one unpaired electron. Okay. When the carbon is having sp combination, is having two p1p orbital and two unpaired electron. Getting? So when this carbon, okay, if this carbon is using pz, the carbon is using pz. This carbon is also used for pz because the pi bond are formed by what? Lateral overlap. They are formed by what? Lateral overlap. This p orbital should be horizontal orbital. It's pz. This should also be pz only. If this pz, this is py. It will form what? No. It will overlap? No. Okay. The overlap should be proper for having positive overlap. Both the p orbitals should be beta same only. It is px. It should be also beta what? It should be also what? Pz only. Okay. Now this carbon has used this pz orbital. Now this carbon has used this pz orbital. Now remaining one beta px and py. Okay. Now this carbon already uses pz. Now he can't use pz again to form the bond with this. Okay. So he should use it for the what? py orbital. So you should what beta? py orbital to form the bond. So we got beta 2 pi bond. So we got 2 pi bond. Okay. Already there is one sigma bond. Okay. Already there is one sigma bond between these two carbon. And there are one hydrogen atoms here. One is outside. One is backside. One is coming towards you. Okay. See when the number of double bonds when the number of double bonds are even at that time, the terminal velocity of one terminal carbon atom, the terminal atoms are not in the same plane. Okay. These terminal atoms are not in the same plane. Okay. Why it is not the same plane? Because one is forming pi bond like this and one is forming pi bond with the slanted p orbital. Since this, it is looking like it. Okay. See, one is forming pi bond with the pz orbital and one is forming with py orbital. Since py orbital slanted, this is beta bond, this pi bond. Okay, this carbon, this carbon, this carbon. Okay, one is forming pi bond like this. So this is in the plane. This pi bond is the plane, but this other pi bond is formed by py orbital. Is forming like this. So this carbon will be treated. This the atoms which are so this terminal atom are one is outside, one is inside. Okay, one is coming towards you, one is coming backwards you. Okay, so these two atoms are not in the same plane. These two atoms are not in the same plane. So it will not exhibit. So it will not exhibit. It will not exhibit beta GI. See the distance. It will measure distance. It will measure this distance A and A. It's L1. Even if you interchange this A to this position, and if you measure distance A, it will be what? L2. Since L1 and L2 will be similar only. Okay, L1 and L2 will be similar only. This if the number of double bonds are even, it will not exhibit GI. The number of double bonds are even, it will not exhibit GI. Understood? The number of double bonds in the compound are even. That compound. S1 the terminal, carbon atom, S1 the terminal, carbon atom. Valency is out of the plane. Okay. And hence no GI exhibition. Okay. Also the distance of two similar groups of two similar atoms will be same only in case of given. L1 will be equal to L2. When L1 is equal to L2, at that time there is no exhibition of geometrical isomer. Okay. What are the conditions? What is geometrical isomer, beta? Having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but the orientation of the atoms under the necessary condition should be different. L1 is equal to L2. That time it can't show different structure, different orientation space, and hence it will have same isomer. It will have same isomer. It will not have C star. It can't have C negative. It can't have E and Z. Understood? Copy it down.